Hi, Valencia. I'm going to read you a story called Grumpy Monkey. Do you see the monkey right there? He's the grumpy monkey. All right, anyway, let's continue. So look on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a banana there and a little bug. But let's continue. So it says Grumpy Monkey by Suzanne Long. Looks like he lives in a jungle. All right. One beautiful day, Chimpanzee woke up to discover that nothing was right. You can see Chimpanzee hanging in the tree there. The sun was too bright, the sky was too blue, and the bananas were too sweet. What? And then Jim was confused. What's going on? Well, his friend, the big ape, the big gorilla says, maybe you're grumpy, suggested Norman from next door. I'm not grumpy, Jim insisted. Jim's the monkey on. On his walk, he met Marabou. Jim's grumpy, Norman told Marabou. Why so grumpy, Jim? Asked Marabou. It's such a wonderful day. It looks like Marabou is a stork. And Chimpanzee says, Grumpy? Me, I'm not grumpy, says Jim. But look, you're standing, Marabou said. It's true, said Norman, all hunched. So Jim loosened up. Okay. Then he ran into Lemur. Jim's grumpy, Norman told Lemur. Why are you grumpy, Jim? Asked Lemur. It's such a wonderful day. Grumpy? I'm not grumpy, said Jim. Your eyebrows look grumpy, said Lemur. It's true, Norman. They're all bunched up. Like that. So Jim raised his eyes. Okay. Then he tripped over Snake. Oh, no, said Norman. That's the last thing you need to do when you're feeling grumpy. Grumpy me? I'm not grumpy, says Jim. Look at the snake. You see the snake? Then why is that frown, said Snake. I think it's because he tripped over you, Norman said to Snake. So Jim put on a smile. Okay, that's all you get. I'm going to save it, and then